Listening, Unit 10, page 126, E.
You will hear some information about a school music and dance competition. For each question, fill in the missing information in the numbered space.
This is an announcement for all secondary school students. We are organising a music and dance competition before the end of summer term, so if you are good at singing, dancing or playing musical instruments, this competition is for you. Your performance should be between 20 and 30 minutes long, and you can use the school assembly hall to practice before the final day. You should work in teams of 6 to 8, and you need to have 4 main performers, 1 musician, 1 singer, and 2 dancers. The group that won the competition last year had 10 people. But unfortunately this year we don't have so much space for the performances, so please remember that 8 is the limit. It's the 4th year we have organised this type of event for the end of term, and in the last few years we've asked for different kinds of entertainment, for example, musical comedy or something similar to Glee. This year we're hoping for something a bit different. We're looking for music that is more alternative and dance teams that can mix classical with modern styles. This is quite a challenge, but we're sure many of our talented students can use their imagination and skills. Last year's winners were from Year 4 and they gave a wonderful performance, especially the pianist and lead singer. But as I said, don't copy the style of previous years. Try and be original and creative. Our judges for the competition this year are Martin Wilson, who has his own contemporary dance company for teenagers, and Gigi Cool K, a young rapper who has just released her first album on the internet. And there are some great prizes for the winners this year. The first prize winners will get a visit to the Westbeat International Academy and the chance to have a special class with the best music and dance teachers. And other prizes include a trip to a West End musical in London or a set of sheet music with lyrics. Everyone is welcome to come and see the performances in the Town Council Hall, which is big enough for 500 people and has a fantastic stage and excellent sound system. There is plenty of space in the backstage area where you can put any costumes, instruments or props and get changed in the dressing room. So, don't wait until it's too late to enter our competition. Contact Mrs. Adams, the music teacher, when you have decided to participate. You can also find information. Listening,